We've just spent all of our money on a camper van. We bought it blind. Have we made a mistake? Hit subscribe, hit like, follow along, because you're about to find out.
The tomato sauce is going in the bin. The pesto is going in the bin.
Have you opened the pesto?
No.
I'll open it and have a look. Is it brand new?
No.
Oh, it's brand new. There'd be
it?
nothing wrong with that.
Oh, right. We'll
If
keep
that
it
was
then.
open, that'd be mouldy.
Well, the date is December last year, so.
Has
It's got cheese in it as well.
pesto got cheese in it?
Well, this one has.
Oh, okay.
But
But it's
the
sealed.
Vegemite, we're keeping forever, mate.
Oh, yeah,
Even though we
well,
don't fucking eat it.
that's not going anywhere.
But
I'm going to flick the lights on. There we go. Battery on, lights plugged in. That's alright, mate. So I need to take the surf racks off the roof, and I found a socket set. I'd be very impressed if every piece of this socket set was in there. How much do you want to bet that it's got bits missing?
I'll buy steak for dinner tonight.
Yeah, what if there's bits missing? You'll buy steak. If there's not, I'll buy us McDonald's.
Okay.
Fuck.
Look at that.
That is as good as all there, because there's like even like spare bits.
That's better than all that because there's extra bits.
Fuck, that was not. I was not expecting that. Spanner.
Good man, Johnny.
That's a probably like a good $100-200 worth of sockets. Don't know what that collar's for. Something engine wise, probably. Oh, hang on a minute. Hold the phone.
What?
It's a socket set, but it's not got any ratchets.
No.
I've only just noticed. Ah, profiling gauge. That's for setting the distance between valves and stuff. Well, I'll just use that then. It's getting dark really quick.
Yeah, we need to find some.
That's not going to cut the mustard. That's a solar blanket in there. No idea what that is. Transact. Literally no idea. Vegemite. Peppercorns. Gas for the stove. Fly and insect spray. There's a part of the hose for the shower, which just clicks in that end, and then you can point it because it's like memory tube or whatever it's called. So you just attach it to the water tank on the top. That long tube there is a water tank, and you just connect that on there, and then the shower cubicle drops from there. Doesn't look as good in the night time. Looks better in the daylight. But you can attach a shower head to that if you want to. He's given us an old pair of binoculars with it as well, which is quite cool. So this bed retracts from, say, like halfway. It slides back because it's on runners, and then it becomes just like a half bed, and then you've got all this room. And that's a table. Out the other end of this unit is another huge drawer, bigger than that one. Massive drawer, and that's got a stove on it, storage on the other side, and it brings the fridge out with it. That's the running, the day battery, the extra battery. And then there's this hatch here so you can get to the fridge from the inside. And then that's the drawer within the cabinet, which slides out. And then obviously there's curtains up at the moment. It's a fan, lights. Yeah, there's not loads and loads in the back, but the main things are built, so we can just add on to that as much as we want, change it or whatever. But yeah, the main things are there, and the awning, the shower cubicle, the battery, the solar blanket, the cooker, the fridge. So yeah. We've just done our first tool run in the van. When we got to Australia, we decided that we were going to do something slightly different to other backpackers. We decided we were going to set up self-employed. I was running a business in the UK in home maintenance, so we bought the bare minimum tools to get some jobs done for some homes in Australia. We even hired a gloss consultant who leaves a high shine finish on everything he licks. So we set up our ABN numbers, got quoting, and started bringing the money in. Now I'm telling you, it's dead simple. If you're a tradie in the UK and you want to come over here and work for a bit, self-employed, you can do it. You'll need a vehicle, you'll need some tools, but it's really easy to do once you get here. We charged $1,100 to paint these walls. No woodwork, no ceilings, they supplied the paint. All we had to do was supply the tools. It took me about 2 days. Oh, I'm getting more and more camera shy as the time goes on, it's weird. But we've just been paid for our first job in Australia, so we're going out to celebrate and to write the next quote for the next job. Woo!